Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. So in today's video I'll be showing you this Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I recently filmed a different look in which I show you a more romantic, subtle eye makeup look, so I will be linking that one down below in case you're interested. But in today's video I will be showing you how to create this gorgeous, sexy, sultry, and fearless eye makeup look so that you can wear for Valentine's Day or any special occasions that you might have. I definitely went a little dramatic with the eyes, but I think altogether this makeup look, it's beautiful, and if you want to learn how to get this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I haven't done my foundation yet because I'm gonna do that last, but I already did my eyebrows as you can see. So I'll be using the Morphe 35O palette for today's look. I was looking in my makeup collection and this is the only palette I guess that I have that has a lot of natural colors and a lot of brownish transition colors. So that's why I picked this palette, because I am trying to go for a very natural but sexy look on the eye, but you'll see. So we're gonna start by using a very similar color to my skin tone, which is this one right here. And with this one I'm just gonna create a nice canvas for the rest of the shades that we're gonna use. And I'm applying this shade with a very fluffy blending brush. Now I'm gonna switch to a different blending brush, and this one just has the shorter bristles. And I'm gonna start going into the darker shade right here. It's almost next to the prior one that we used. With this shade, I'm also bringing it down to the outer V. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of this light orangey shade next to it. But with that shade, I'm almost bringing it a little bit lower than my crease. I just want a little bit of a hint of a different color. It's almost like I'm covering the whole lid, but I'm gonna apply a different lighter shade in the main lid. But I want this orangey color to show through a little bit on the back as well. Now for the main lid color, I'll be using this second shade on the top row. And I'll just start applying it very softly on the center of my eyelid. I'm going back to the orangey shade, and I basically just want to go over the crease a little bit more. As you can see, I'm going very natural with all of the shades that I'm using because I don't want the eyeshadow to be the main focus, because I'm actually gonna do a wing eyeliner and we're gonna smoke that out, and that's what's gonna be the center of the eye makeup look. Now I'm gonna go into this center shade, but I am gonna be using a smaller blending pencil brush because my goal is to deposit this just in the outer corner of the eye. Going back to the other blending brush that I was using, and I'm just blending all of this out in the crease. So now I am going to be doing my wing liner, and for that I'll be using my gel liner by Maybelline. And I have to apply a little bit of my Lorac Duraline because I haven't used it recently. And using this drops usually helps to make it soft and blendable again. Now that I placed the eyeliner, I'm gonna grab this Typographic matte eyeshadow that I have. This is from MAC, and you can probably use any black, dark gray shadow that you have, preferably more on the black side. And I'm gonna start applying this right on top of the liner. Actually, let me switch brush. I switch for like a smaller smudging brush better. And with this, I'm just gonna start smoking it out. I'm like going slightly above the eyeliner. I actually wanna try this other black shadow that I have. It's just coming from the Lorac Pro palette, the #1. I just think that this one is a little bit darker than the one I was using by MAC. And honestly, you guys, don't even worry about getting messy down here because we're gonna clean that up after with a wipey. That's the reason why I didn't do my foundation first, because I knew I was gonna have to do that wing liner cleanup, and also in the case I got any fallout since we're using dark eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna grab a facial wipe. And just clean this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I know it looks very dramatic, but once we put the lashes on, everything should look better. Everything will look complete and put together. So let me go ahead and curl my lashes, put on some falsies. I'll finish my foundation and then we'll work on the lower lash line. Sounds like a deal? Oh my god, I'm living for this lashes and this eye makeup look. Well, so I already did my foundation and I'm finishing up the concealer, but I don't think I've said it in camera before, but I've been really loving the makeup sponge from Morphe, just because it has this pointy, flat two sides in here. It makes it a lot easier when you do your foundation after your eyeshadow, especially if you need to clean up the outer part of the eye. You can basically just go and dab around where you want to clean up, and it makes that step super easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna set everything with loose setting powder. I'm just gonna use brush for that instead. Oh, damn it. I have a crease. Okay. Fix that. And then I'm gonna set all of that concealer. Okay. With this, I'm also gonna set the rest of my face. I went a little bit heavier on the concealer today just because the eyes are so dramatic. I want to make sure that I'm balanced everywhere else in my face. So at first I thought my wing liner was a little bit too dramatic, but it happens. I feel that once you put your lashes, let it be dramatic. It doesn't matter. Honestly, it looks gorgeous. Okay, so now that I said everything else, I'm gonna finish the lower lash line. And so to do that, I'm gonna go into the second shade that we use in the crease, which is this brown transition shade color. After I apply the first brown shade, I'm gonna go into the one that we use that it's in the middle of the palette, just to darken that up a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the eyeliner for my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna use one of the small pencil brushes that I use to blend out my eyeliner with the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that on the lower lash line. And in doing so, I'm gonna try to grab a very small amount because I don't wanna create that much darkness in here. I'm basically gonna concentrate it just on the outer part of the eye. So now the last step in the blending process of the lower lash line, I'm just gonna grab a clean brush and just basically remove any fallows that I have, and then basically going over the lowest part where I have eyeshadow just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm just missing mascara on the lower lash line, and we're done with that. Just as in my last video, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring just because with such a heavy eye makeup look, you definitely have to define the other areas in your face. As you see, this is very subtle. I didn't do anything too intense. So the amount of product that I use is not too much. I'm just using enough where I can define certain areas of my face a little bit better so that everything looks more balanced. Now I'm gonna set all that contouring with just my bronzer. I'm using my blush by MAC in the Melba color just to give me a little bit of color on my cheeks. Now for highlight, I'm using Fuego from Dust of Colors. So for lips, I honestly would love to see this eye makeup look with a red lipstick, but I also know that for some people it can be too much having really dramatic eyes and like a dark lipstick. So I'm going to show you once again two options. I'm going to show you the red lipstick and a nude version. I'm going to line my lips with this natural lip liner from NYX. On top of the lip liner, I'm actually going to use one of the new Stay Glossy lip glosses by Dust of Colors, and this is in the shade On Repeat. You guys, this color is gorgeous. It's like the perfect nude. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, now let me do some makeup setting spray. Okay, so this is the completed look with the nude lips. So it is very neutral colors, but it definitely got very dramatic. But you can definitely tone down the wing liner a little bit. The point is the eyeshadows that I use combined with the wing liner and smoking out the wing liner just makes the eye look gorgeous. And pair with these lashes, which by the way, I don't think I said it in camera, but I've been trying the lashes from the Makeup Shark. Well, you can probably see it right there. And these ones I'm wearing are in the style Kehlanii, and I already used the Onyx style as well, and I've been loving those too. So I just placed a new order of different styles that I wanted to try, but I've been loving these eyelashes. So I promise I will show a red lipstick with this eye makeup look, and the one I want to use is by Fenty Beauty, the Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. I'm pretty sure you have seen this one. I think I posted a picture on my Instagram of it a while ago when I recently got it, but I love this lip. Okay, you guys, I thought I preferred this makeup with the nude lipstick that I showed you, but this red lip is everything. It makes me feel like I'm a model of some sort of magazine, or I don't know, but this is everything. Look at this. I think you can definitely get away with the red lip just because the eyes are so dramatic, yes, but they're very neutral colors. So you can definitely do the red lipstick. So it's up to you. Yep. So if you haven't tried that liquid lip, I prefer liquid lipsticks, especially for dark colors, because I feel that they last the longest and they don't move around a lot. But this one specifically, I worn it a few times already, and the formula is so thin that it's very easy to apply and it lasts for a very long time. So this wraps up the video. I really hope that this makeup can serve you as inspiration when you're getting ready for Valentine's Day. And just remember, you don't have to wear this necessarily for Valentine's Day. You can wear this makeup look or something similar for any special events or occasions where you want to look fearless and you want to have everybody staring at you. This makeup could be a good option. But with that, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!